Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a Grindr account. So you have a Grindr account that you used to use for online dating and some other reason, and now you don't use that account anymore, or there's some other reason you want to delete that account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Grindr account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Grindr account is open a Grindr application. Once you open a Grindr application, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to delete your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. From here, what you need to do is go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, what you need to do in account section, select the option labeled as deactivate, tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you'll land an interface like this. Now here on the bottom, we'll see an option labeled as delete account. So in order to delete a Grindr account, simply tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, you'll land an interface like this. Now here you'll have to select the reason why you want to delete your account. So go ahead and select the reason. Then you'll be asked whether you want to back up your information or not. If you want to back up your information, simply tap on the backup now option. If not, go ahead and tap on no thanks option. Once you do that, you'll be asked whether you simply want to just log out or you really want to delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, tap on delete option. Once you do that, you'll have to verify yourself. So go ahead and enter your email address in order to verify yourself. Once you enter your email address, tap on the delete profile button. Then you'll see a pop-up window like this. Now here you tap on the delete account button in order to give a confirmation. Once you do that, you'll successfully delete a Grindr account without any problem at all. So those are the simple steps in order to delete a Grindr account in very easy ways. So that will be for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.